Hey everyone, so I want to continue showing you how to do some cool stuff with Photoshop here on the iPad. First thing I'm going to show you is, remember, these are different images on different layers, and if you click on the different layers you get to work with that specific image. So I'm going to go to the layer with the clouds, and so I can see it a little bit better, I'm going to click on my bricks layer and just make that invisible for a second. And I'm going to go back to my clouds layer so that I know I'm working with this one. And I want to just change the size. So I'm going to click over here in the corner. And if you missed where I saw that, it's the second, it's the transform tool, the second one down. And if I just drag from one of these corners here, if I'm using this top box here, you can see that I can make this image bigger. If I click from one of these middle images, or buttons, I can stretch this image out. And in this case, it doesn't matter to me too much that I am stretching this out because it's a bunch of clouds. You know, if it was a person's face, that just looks awkward, but in this particular case, it doesn't bother me. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. I just wanted to make that the different size. So I'm going to hit done. And now I'm going to go back to my bricks layer, and I'm going to make that visible again. And what I'd like to do is have the illusion that these bricks are kind of like going back, almost like a road. I'm going to turn this into a road. So I'm going to go a little bit further. I'm going to go back to my transform tools, and in this time, instead of dragging it the way I did before, you can see I have different options here, and I'm going to take this and stretch this out a heck of a lot down at the bottom here. See how it's starting to look like it's going back into space. The only problem is that I don't want this awkward corner over here, so I need to make this significantly wider, and I'm going to pull that in. So I'm actually really going a bit further than, see how I'm creating this crazy triangle here, but the idea is that I don't want, again, that crazy awkward space, but see how it gives me this sense of like it's going back into the distance, and I can decide where I want to put this. So I'm going to hit done, and oops, uh-oh,